Lunch or something? Oh, you're busy.
There. Here we are, Villa Grove, Colorado. Paragliding, parasailing.
They jump off right up there where King Philip's face and all that is.
Yep, right there. Right across from it, right there.
They jump off at the top. That's where they go up. He said it's real steep.
All right.
Coming right in, video you. All right, he had a flight.
Yay, okay. There you go.
Trying to take off, keep filming. Good job.
All right. Life is good. All right.
That's good, man.
Everybody have a great day today. Jump from right up there. Anyway, right up there. All right. It's a beautiful day here. Sandy is trying to sneak out. She has a hurt paw, supposed to be in the front seat. Casey's hid somewhere. Troy in his nice blue outfit looks really good in blue. There's their pup buddy. All right. Everybody have a good day today.